Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song Prodigal by Josiah Queen. I know it's been a while, you guys. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, and I am sorry for that. I recently got allergies, and I actually lost my voice from coughing. It's pretty bad, so yeah, that's the reason why I wasn't able to really post or record anything. But we are back. I am still slightly recovering, so I won't be singing too much. Thank you so much for clicking this video. We're going to be learning this song. The original key is going to be in B. We have our capo on 4th fret. We're going to be playing using our G shapes, G shapes. And let's get into this video. Before we get started though, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We're about to reach 1,000 subscribers. We just reached 800. Like, y'all guys are crazy, subscribing left and right, and I really appreciate it. So let's keep going. Let's make it to 1,000. Thank you so much, and let's go ahead and get started. I've been sick and tired of being sick and tired, searching far and wide for something that feels real. And that is our verse 1. This song does have a a finger style picking that we would play. So really quickly, let's go over the chords, and then I'll go ahead and teach the finger picking. So for the chords, we're going to be playing for our little intro. It's going to be E minor, D over F sharp, and then you're going to be playing your G, right? Okay. So E minor, D over F sharp, and then G, and then you're going to go C, G, and then D over F sharp. Okay, you're gonna play that twice for the intro. One thing to know is that your G, you're holding it much longer. That second G, you're gonna hold it much longer. And then the D over F sharp, and then back to the E minor, D over F sharp quickly to your G. So another thing they do is a little hammer on. You don't have to do it, it's optional. And then you start your verse, right? Verse is going to be the same thing. E minor to your D over F sharp to your G. But you're not going to go to your C, you're going to just repeat those three. So E minor, D over F sharp to your G. So I've been sick and tired of being sick and tired, searching far and wide. So you just repeat those 3 chords for the verse. So yeah, that's pretty much the chords. Finger picking wise, we're gonna be playing with these 3 fingers here. We're gonna be hitting these top 3 strings right here: the A string, the D string, and the G string, right? You're gonna be playing those. You're skipping the first one, right? You're skipping that first note. That first string, I'm sorry. So we're gonna be doing bass, and then we're gonna do A and G strings at the same time. Okay? So it's just like that. So take it slow. Okay, so that's the idea. Just pick it up the speed a little bit. So then you pick it up a little bit more. that's the idea. Hopefully you got that. Go ahead and practice it if you have to. I don't wanna lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And then we go into our chorus. So pre-chorus really fast. Like I said, guys, throat it is not working with me today. My singing voice is not with me today, so it's a bit of a struggle. So we're starting off. There's a slight build up with the verse, right? And then you do these 2 down strums with the E minor. I don't wanna lose my soul. And then your D over F sharp. Chasing after things that don't. To your G. Lead me straight to you. And then you build a little bit again on that D chord. So again, E minor to your D over F sharp to your G, and then you build on that last D chord. And then we go into chorus. And oh, lost in a feeling. And oh, ain't from this world. Going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy. Leads me straight to you. I'm running home like the prodigal. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, this is the best I could do. Bear with me till I fully recover. I don't want to push my vocal cords too much. Very simple. We're gonna be playing our C to our G chord to our D chord, regular D, and then really quickly E minor. So slip in that E minor, and then back again to your C, G, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, G, lost in a feeling, D, E minor, C, oh, G, E minor, going back to Eden, ain't gonna be easy, So right there, after that E minor, you go into your G, so going back to Eden, ain't gonna be easy, to your G. Then you're gonna hold that G again, but it leads me straight to you. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, when I was first listening to this song, I thought, like this whole time, I thought the lyrics said leads me chained to you, but it actually says leads me straight to you. I think honestly though, if you had put leads me chained to you, would have been a really cool lyric, but leads me straight to you, I guess it's okay too. G leads me straight to your D, right? To your E minor. Leads me straight to you, right? E minor. Now I'm running C to your D, like the prodigal. So you land on that last G after you sing prodigal. You do a few strummings on that G. Really quickly, let's go over the strumming pattern while we're at it. Strumming pattern is just like all the other Josiah Queen songs, pretty much the same. It's gonna be a down, down, up, and then it repeats. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So that's the idea, that's the strumming pattern. Hopefully you guys get it. Go ahead and practice if you need to. So after the chorus, it's gonna be pretty much the same as verse 1. Your verse 2, you're gonna sing like the prodigal. So as soon as you finish singing prodigal, you're gonna switch back to your fingerstyle picking. Like the prodigal. And I don't need the money, right? So it's gonna be the same idea. You're starting off verse 2, same thing. We're not gonna go over it. Pretty much the same thing, same chords. And I don't wanna lose my soul chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I don't wanna lose my gaze with no face to face, well done, well, come home. Now I'm running home. And then we'll go into our chorus, right? That is the bridge. Bridge is very similar to the chorus, except they changed the lyrics very slightly and they changed the finger style slightly. I wasn't playing it the way it's supposed to be played simply because it's pretty hard to play that and sing. But I will show you the right way or the other way that they finger style for the bridge. Bridge starts pretty calmly, pretty regular. I will say the chords are the same as the chorus, so I'm not gonna go over the chords. The bridge finger style picking is very similar to the chorus, where we were doing, I mean, it's very similar to the verse where we're doing this, which if you don't want to learn this other finger style, you don't have to. You can literally play the verse same way you played the verse. You can play the bridge and you probably will get away with it. But if you want to be accurate, you're gonna have to do that down, up, up with these, right? This. But instead of playing these three we played in the verse, we're actually playing G and the B string, right? So it's the E minor to your really fast E minor to your D over F sharp, hold the G to your D chord. So I don't wanna lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me, chained to, straight to you. I keep singing chained. Straight to you. I don't wanna lose my gaze when I meet you face to face. Well done, well, welcome home. So D, E minor, right there, right? I don't wanna lose my gaze. I don't wanna lose my gaze when I meet you face to face. Well done, welcome home. E minor. Now I'm running home. So those last two, you're gonna be playing C and D. You're gonna be doing just a regular, with the regular one we did in verse 1. Now I'm running home, like the prodigal. And then you do those single down strummings for the chorus, and then we eventually go back into the down, down, up for the chorus. That's pretty much the whole song, you guys. I know it's one of those songs that changes changes a lot. Strumming pattern changes, even the finger style changes, but usually they're about the same idea. You can go ahead and do honestly, you can make it very simple. Just stick to the down, down, up, down, up. That usually works very well with these types of songs, but he also alternates with the down, up, down, down, right? So two different strumming, two different finger styles, same idea, same concept. Hopefully this video helped you guys, and thank you so much for 800 subs. It's crazy. We're literally getting there, guys. If you want to see another type of video or another request of some sort, this video was highly requested. I got so many people wanting to see this video, so we're making it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.